So many people are on a search to find within their days for that place, within their minds to hide and dump the load of this worldly life and the things that it can make you feel and do just to pass away your time. But you'll be alright, yeah. 'Cause if you just hold on, be strong, you'll be alright. Yes, you will, yeah. People have a tendency to think to themselves that they're the only ones going through more things than anyone else. But oh, I bet you beg to differ if you will just consider the much bigger picture. 'Cause then you would see that most people go through the same things that you do in life. But you'll be alright.